Kuala Lumpur. Long lines stretching more than 2 kilometers from the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre vaccination centre sparked concerns of another COVID-19 cluster in waiting, as hundreds of workers waited to get their jabs. Social media was set abuzz after several video clips and pictures of the situation at the vaccination centre on Wednesday were shared on various platforms and drew criticism from the public. Another user identified as @1Negara1 blamed employers for failing to let their workers get their shots at the appointed times. To accelerate vaccination among workers in the manufacturing sector, the government launched the Public-Private Partnership COVID-19 Industry Immunisation Programme on June 16. KLCC is one of the centres in the programme. Malaysia is ramping up its COVID-19 inoculation programme and hopes to achieve herd immunity by year-end as it battles a fresh wave of infections. As at Wednesday, 6.105 million people, or 18.7% of Malaysia's population, had been fully inoculated, while another 12.841 million people, or 39.3%, had received at least their first dose. Mr. Khairi Jamaluddin, the coordinating minister for the inoculation programme, told Parliament that more than 1 million vaccine doses were administered over the past 2 days alone. According to social media postings, long queues at the KLCC PPV were a common sight for the past 3 days, prompting police to issue a statement. Dang Wangi Police Chief Muhammad Zainal Abdullah said employers should follow the scheduled times for their workers' vaccinations. However, Madam Azira Shaharuddin, who received her inoculation at the centre, said the experience was smooth. The situation around the vaccination centre is quite crowded with foreigners and local as they queue to get the COVID-19 vaccine injection at Covid-19 Vaccination Centre, KLCC Convention Centre, Kuala Lumpur. #vaccination #COVID_19 pic.twitter.com/asliorkfm, Adi Brawi, July 28, 2021. Responding to the crowd situation, the COVID-19 Immunisation Task Force said it is working with police to limit vehicles ferrying large groups coming from outside of the Klang Valley for their vaccinations. The task force also said it had revised appointment times for some recipients to reduce the congestion.